My name is Randy Johnson, and this is my Chapter 10 summary of the theory and practice of online learning for EDET 755. This chapter offers a brief summary of the background and evolution of online learning development from text-based to media-rich. It provides a blueprint regarding the development of effective online learning communities. And I believe that the two strongest things that this chapter outlines are the preconditions that need to exist for the development of an online course and the roles and skills that are needed to be fulfilled by the design and development team. Four things that Chapter 10 outlined as preconditions or needing to be in place before developing of an online course are faculty training, possession of all skills needed to conduct the course, adoption of an instructional method, and all of the information that is to be included in the course. Chapter 10 focuses on training faculty thoroughly on the use of technology and adopted learning management systems. Implementation of trainings, reward systems, and an institutionally supported guideline to online instructional development would support the production of quality online instruction. Faculty should be well versed in the technology tools they will be using to implement the course. They must realize that they will be the first point of contact for their students should any technology questions arise. We have read about the importance of focusing on the type of interactions that a course is to support. An instructional method must be identified and followed just as it would be to support the development of a traditional face-to-face course. Lastly, Chapter 10 identified the need for all instructional materials to be thoroughly developed for the course before its creation. This includes a syllabus, course expectations, course schedules, and examples of work. Another thing that I found most valuable about this chapter is the way that it dissected the design team. It outlined the roles and responsibilities of each position so that production of quality online courses can be supported. While Chapter 10 does recognize that oftentimes people must take on multiple roles, it points out that individual role fulfillment is ideal due to the tediousness of the work involved. The ideal course development team, or dream team if you will, would include a subject matter expert, a graphic designer, a web developer, programmer, and last but not least, an instructional designer. A subject matter expert, or SME, has the responsibility of verifying that the material presented and developed for the course is a sufficient representation of what needs to be expressed and what will be expressed in a face-to-face interaction. This is significant because the main goal of the design and one of the benefits of using online instruction is the ability to provide the most current and significant information almost immediately. The responsibility of the graphic designer is to create a unique look for the course and align all design elements with the guidelines for visual literacy. The responsibility of the web developer is to identify and implement tools for use in the development of an effective learning environment. The programmer has the responsibility for making sure that all multimedia and web tools work properly. And the instructional designer has the responsibility of selecting and following a design model that will ensure the production of a course of quality to rival any face-to-face course experience or interaction. Chapter 10 clearly expresses that the planning and